Hey gamers! Are you looking to upgrade your gaming setup without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm bringing you the best gaming accessories under 1000 Indian rupees that will seriously level up your gaming experience. From mice to headphones, we've got it all covered. So, grab your snacks, sit back, and let's dive in. Number 1. Gaming Mouse, Redgear A15. First up, the Redgear A15 gaming mouse, priced at just 799 Indian rupees. This beast comes with 6 programmable buttons, adjustable DPI, up to 6400, and RGB lighting. Perfect for FPS and MOBA games, it's a steal for the price. Number 2. Gaming Keyboard Zebronics Transformer-K. Next, let's talk keyboards. You don't need to spend thousands to get a mechanical feel. Check out the Zebronics Zeb-Transformer-K USB gaming keyboard. It's usually around 799 Indian rupees. It has 3 color LED lights, solid build, and responsive keys. For budget gaming, this one's a total beast. Number 3. Headphones, Cosmic Byte H1. For immersive sound, check out the Cosmic Byte H1 at 999 Indian rupees. With 50mm drivers, a noise-canceling mic, and memory foam ear cushions, it's perfect for long gaming sessions. Number 4. Mousepad, Amazon Basics Extended. A smooth gaming experience needs a solid mousepad. The Amazon Basics Extended Mousepad, 499 Indian rupees, gives you ample space, smooth tracking, and a water-resistant surface essential for precision gaming. Number 5. Gaming Controller, Cosmic Byte Nexus. Kicking off our list at number 5, the Cosmic Byte Nexus Wireless Controller, 999 Indian rupees. This sleek, RGB-packed controller offers 2.4 GHz wireless, no Bluetooth, but stable connection. Dual vibration motors for immersive gameplay. Turbo button for rapid-fire actions. 10-hour battery life. And that's a wrap. These are the best gaming accessories under 1000 Indian rupees that'll seriously upgrade your gaming without emptying your wallet. Did I miss any? Drop your favorites in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more budget gaming tips. Game on, legends!